Like what we talking about? Look at that skin. You can't tell this skin nada. Hey guys, I'm KimmyBoutiki and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to get this dewy skin. Look at it. Let me give you up close. The natural dew that is on this skin, honey. Yes. If you're interested in how to get a nice, beautiful, natural dewy base, stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get started on this dewy makeup because that is why you clicked on this video, right? All right, let's go. To start with dewy makeup, you need to start with a dewy base. The dew needs to be layered in, if you feel what I'm saying. You gotta start with the dew and end with the dew, okay? So I'm going to use this illuminating glow oil, and this is by Wonder Beauty. I have dry skin. If you are watching this and you have dry skin, you can follow these steps exactly because I use everything that is going to help my dry skin. This is going to moisturize my skin and give it a nice dew underneath in the base. Does that make sense? I hope so. And just massage that in. As you can see, there is a glow happening to my skin already, and I actually like to use facial oil when I'm not wearing makeup because I love the finish it gives to my skin, and it just locks in my moisturizer, you know? I'm going to go with my NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. I have been using this for years. It has a radiant finish. So again, the layers, Radiant Glow Oil, Radiant Foundation. You get the drift, you following along. This is my Instylish sponge. I featured this in the previous video and I've been just loving this sponge. So I'm going to keep using it. Yeah, nice and squishy and it's super affordable. The link for the Instylish sponge, of course, and all the products will be in the description box below. And of course, there is a code there for you guys to get a little couple of dollars off. You know what I'm saying? I got you. Little coupon code or whatever. I gotta get this hair out of my face because I cannot work like this. Yeah, that looks really good. So as you can see, this foundation leaves a nice glow as well. So I'm gonna do the other side and we'll be right back. Now for concealer. So this is my Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer, and I have been using this concealer probably since it came out. I love this concealer. It is non-drying. It's actually a very nice moisturizing formula. I'm going to use color Warm Sand to correct. I have a little darkness around my mouth that I cannot stand. Put a little dot under the eye. You can see how that just covers all that darkness. Now for brightening concealer, I still have my Born This Way concealer. This is my favorite concealer. I have the color Cookie, which is a more natural highlight, and I have the color Warm Beige, which is a lighter color when I want really like brightening. I think we're going to be everyday natural and we're going to go in with the color Cookie. And this is exactly why I do my brows after my base, because the foundation and the concealer be all up in the brows, girl, getting rid of all my hard work. We ain't finna do that. Let me let that dry a little bit. Go with my little fancy fan. Now I'm going to go with my black opal foundation stick, and this is in the color Black Walnut, and I'm going to use my Tarte foundation brush. Now I'm going to blend in my concealer. You can let it sit and it's still so blendable. So now we have our cream contour and our cream highlight on. My skin is still dewy, right? Okay, look at the skin, guys. The skin is so beautiful, so flawless. Still glowy. Yeah, sculpted. You already know we sculpted, girl. So now I am only going to set the areas under my eye because that's where I have natural lines going on there and I don't want that to move. My Fenty setting powder, and this is in the color Butter, and I have my sponge ready. I don't like too much powder. You can see it? It's like bunching up there already. Get rid of that. This powder smells so good. What's left over on this Tarte brush, which I use for my cream contour my nose, I'll just take what's left and just kind of go down my nose like that. And then bring whatever's left up into the brow. And my nose is contoured. I love it. It's so effortless when I do it this way. We're not trying to bake because that's going to make us extra dry. And I'm just going to remove that right away. Now what's left on the sponge, I'm going to hit my smile line. Cause you know, girl, we gotta take care of that. And whatever's left on the sponge, it's okay to do this because we still gonna be dewy, I promise you. This is what I do if I need my makeup to last, because normally I don't put powder everywhere and just dust it off the excess right away. Yes, it's a little bit more mattified, but it's still not flat. This is why I really like that powder, and that's why I only use what's left on the sponge. Now I'm going to go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and this is in the color Saddle. It has warmth in it, so it's going to help bring back some life to the skin. Now for blush, so I'm going to go with the Ciate London Melted Light Blush in the color Dusk. So this blush has a luminous finish. More luminous products is going to leave your face more dewy, more luminous. I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill JH06. It literally is my favorite blush brush. So I want you to compare both sides. This skin has been set, but that blush does give a nice sheen, right? And I actually like to put a little bit of this up into the temples. I just feel like it blends in nicely. Just my thing. I like to encapsulate this whole eye area situation. I'm gonna go with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy Collaboration Highlight. Just the perfect amount of gold in it. Doesn't have any glitter in it. It's like a perfect glow. That perfectly natural glow without being sparkly. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, it's kind of like all in the brush and it's not even. Make sure that it's even in the brush. If it's not even in the brush, it's not gonna go even on your skin. Wow. It never ceases to amaze me. Wow. Bitch, what we talking about? So pretty. I like to bring it all the way around. I'm gonna bring it down the nose here. Let's put it right here on the tippy tip. Ooh. And whatever's left on the brush, I'll put on my chin. I need my chin to be glowing too, honey. Yes. So the base is fully done, but if you want to take it up an extra level, like extra dew, this is what we're about to do. This is my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, and it is the most dewiest spray that I own, and I've tried a few of them. This gives me the ultimate wet look, the ultimate moisturized look. Like, girl, you're gonna be glowing to the gods with this spray. And it sprays so mystified that it's such an even spray. Magnifique. And just girl, look at that skin. Look at that skin. The only thing is, I feel like when I breathe it in, I get a little tickle in my throat, which I've mentioned before, but that ain't stopped me from using it because it literally gives me the best glow. It's just, that's it. Like, skin done, ready to go. Like, we finished this. We done. Ooh. Sort of face, nails, hair. Ooh. Where we going though? Where you taking me? Because I look too cute. I look too cute right now. Like, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching the whole thing. It ain't gonna hurt no effort just to put a little thumbs up for your girl, you know, like help my channel out or whatever. Subscribe, hit the bell. Stay tuned, stay up to date, be the first to know what's good with KimmyBoutiki, and I will see you hopefully in the next video. Enjoy the bloopers. So I'm going to use this, and get this powder off my hand, as if my hands don't get ashy enough. Go ahead and give it a little shmeezly, weasley. So since you're still here, just like Miss Hello Kitty back there doing her thing, you're gonna go ahead and click that video right there that I just left for you. I'm so kind, I'm so thoughtful and generous. I'm gonna leave another video for you, right? Like, who am I? I'm like the bestest, I know.